We have unbelievable engineers in our company, and they're always thinking about what's that next innovation? What can we do to just make things better? When you look at innovation in general, it almost always comes from a need. Somebody had a need and said, I'm tired of putting my purse on the floor. There's got to be a better way. The new power sliding console in the Tahoe and Suburban is a first for us. It offers 10 inches of movement on the console to give you more versatile storage. It really provides that space that you don't normally have. And it actually gets the cup holders that are at the rear of the console closer to the second row occupants. The first time I saw it, I thought, and people are really going to enjoy this because it's totally unexpected.
KHODROiD.com. Auto parts and accessories online shop.